All right, so BJP holding a briefing on the power tussle in the Indy camp. Arvind Kejriwal, who's also set to address the media in just some time from now. An all-out attempt by the opposition to push out Rahul Gandhi amid attempt to change leadership in the Indy Bloc Alliance. And these are the updates that we are tracking. Arvind Kejriwal, who's spoken with Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh Yadav. This while he's also set to hold a press conference in just some time from now, roughly around 1 p.m. as opposition unites against the Congress. Kejriwal speaking to Mamata Banerjee and Akhilesh Yadav. So this is the latest that's coming in amid the power tussle in the opposition bloc. Arvind Kejriwal, who's all set to address the media at 1 p.m. And this while the opposition leaders are coming together, uniting against Rahul Gandhi, an attempt to make Mamata Banerjee or Akhilesh Yadav as the opposition bloc leader. And now, even as the Aam Aadmi Party, the TMC and Samajwadi, while these three parties have united to push Rahul Gandhi out and change the leadership of the Indy bloc, it's the Congress that has once again hit out the Aam Aadmi Party, latching on to the welfare schemes controversy. So the Congress that's ripped into the Aam Aadmi Party over leadership push by the opposition bloc. Let's listen in to that reaction also coming in of Sandeep Dixit. We will just play out that reaction, but note Arvind Kejriwal, the AAP Supremo, is also set to address the media at 1 p.m. He's expected to officially announce that the opposition is united in its stand to change leadership in the opposition bloc. Let's try and see if we can play out that reaction coming in of Congress leader Sandeep Dixit.
तो मैंने चिट्ठियां दी हैं, उसकी डिटेल्स मैंने एलजी साहब से शेयर की है और मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं, उन्होंने बड़ी पेशेंटली सुना। स्वाभाविक है कि एलजी साहब हैं, गवर्नमेंट के हेड हैं, वो अपनी तरफ से कोई कमेंट नहीं करेंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि जो भी मैंने कंप्लेंट्स दी हैं उसको वो सीरियसली तहकीकात कराएंगे और अगर उनमें कुछ उनको साक्ष्य दिखता है तो फिर उसके बाद वो ही इज अश्योर्ड कि वो फुल एक्शन इस पे लेंगे। पहली चीज ये थी कि हमने कहा कि साहब इस आम आदमी पार्टी ने और उसके नेताओं ने एक शगुफा छोड़ा दिल्ली में कि कोई 1000 रुपए की स्कीम एग्जिस्ट करती है, उसमें लोगों को अभी 1000 रुपया मिलेगा और 2 महीने बाद चुनाव में अगर वो दोबारा जीत कर आते हैं तिबारा तो 2100 रुपए बढ़ जाएगा। कल जो एक इश्तहार आया दिल्ली सरकार का, उसने इस बात को प्रूव कर दिया कि ऐसी कोई स्कीम नहीं थी। यानी मुख्यमंत्री दिल्ली और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी खुलेआम पब्लिक को झूठ कर रहे हैं, फरेब कर रहे हैं और किसी फरेबी स्कीम के अंदर अगर आप लोगों का डेटा लें, उनको स्कीम भरवाएं तो ये धोखाधड़ी का मामला बनता है, जिसको हम लोग सामान्य हिंदी में 420 कहते हैं। और मैंने एलजी साहब से कहा कि जो भी इसका हो, तो उनका नहीं, इसकी हम चेकअप करवाते हैं, अगर इसमें कोई तथ्य होंगे और आप जो कह रहे हैं सही है तो अप्रोप्रिएट एक्शन लिया जाएगा प्रशासन और पुलिस द्वारा।
All right, joining us on the phone line is Tom Vadakkan. Mr. Vadakkan, your first response. It's clearly opposition versus the Congress party. In your opinion, what are those issues which have led to a situation like this when Rahul Gandhi has been completely cornered by the opposition bloc?
Well, this was waiting to happen. In fact, if you don't bring on the table some victory at some point of time, there's bound to be questions, and especially the aspiring ambitions in the alliance. We see that if nothing is happening with the prince in terms of delivery, there is bound to be questions. And there are issues that have now, for example, this issue about AAP freebies that were announced and subsequent the departmental notice saying that there's no such scheme. These are indications that there is lack of consultation and the communication has fallen into a situation where there's no communication at all. And under the circumstances, Congress is going to face the music. And that is precisely what is happening, because all the alliance partners see their self-interest first.
Yes.
And self-interest is to come to power. So if they find that the Congress is a luggage that they can't carry anymore, they are bound to dump them.
Mr. Varakan, just a quick follow-up question. Sources also tell us that it's going to be either Akhilesh Yadav or Mamata Banerjee who will be asked to lead the opposition bloc. Do you expect a unanimous decision by the opposition bloc on Akhilesh Yadav or Mamata Banerjee?
Well, that will be a tough position because each of them is an aspirant, very strong aspirant. And Mamata is a firebrand. Akhilesh is not so much a person that can lead. So whoever is the final choice, there will be a lot of fireworks there too. So it's not a simple formula that, one of them can take charge. So they will have to wait and see that it is properly cemented. The cracks are visible, so it's not that easy. Rahul Gandhi was acceptable because there was the number game was there. But now in the case of TMC and SP, that equation doesn't stand. So what is important is who was able to work out a consensus on this. And that's where the trouble will again break.